It's a Milwaukee Snap-on collaboration.
For the coffee. Who makes the coffee thing?
Snap-on coffee pot.
Oh, it's a Snap-on coffee pot?
Snap-on coffee pot running the Yeti cup with the Milwaukee holders, Black Rifle coffee. It's a collaboration.
Didn't you say you spilled this one day? Like,
yeah, I was watching it like this and I was like, look at me go. And I turned around and I looked back and it was just everywhere. Everywhere.
Alright guys, we're back with another video. We've had some different stuff come through the shop this week. Not BMW stuff, but cool stuff. Dang, this is different. I like this. This thing makes Joe's car look tiny.
Look what makes a Joe's car.
I know, it looks tiny. I was just saying that. What'd you say? You need your CDL to drive this?
Certified class 3.
Real patriotic in here today.
Oh yeah.
If only this M3 was white.
There's that white E46 outside. White on white.
Yeah.
Hear me. White on white. This is gross. Gross.
He said, you hear me?
You hear me? You hear me?
You hear me?
I heard you. What are you doing?
Big BMW.
It's big BMW.
That's the best BMW.
Yeah, dude,
That's good BMW.
I was like, dude, I don't even know if Ramsey could like see the engine in this thing.
What, can get into it?
Yeah.
Yeah, when at my old shop, we had topside creepers so I could work on trucks, you know what I mean?
Okay, yeah.
Because people, they'd be like that, but then lifted too. So
Yeah, you definitely can't see
you
it.
gotta climb up in that.
Yeah, I was telling Ben, I was like, I never knew how bad I wanted one of those until now.
Mm-hmm.
Like, that thing's sick.
Transmission part won't last long.
Don't they have an Allison trans?
Yeah, but
Aren't they good? Aren't they supposed to be good?
yeah, you know how that is. Everything now. I feel like
That's what you have in yours, right? In your van?
No.
no
I
Allison
wish.
in there?
That's why I had to replace it twice. And get a brand new one because it's a 4L85.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, good stuff.
Well, this is different.
Sure is.
I'm not used to seeing this in here.
Work truck, baby. Rubber floor mats.
That's it.
Still have cats. Smell it. Smells like still got cats. That wasn't bad.
What did it end up making?
So I ran it in 6th gear because I thought it was going to be going too fast. I made 715. I revved it out further. It makes peak power and peak torque at 6,600 RPM. Yeah, but peak power and peak torque are at the same time. That's pretty wild. Good old supercharger.
What did it make that time?
750.
750 or?
Yeah. 746 because I wound it out further.
746.
Yeah, I mean it wants to keep going, so I'm gonna ask him how far it wants to pitch out. I must have let off right at where it wanted to shift last time, like exactly.
Yeah. Man, you know, this would be a good matchup with your X3. You're probably a lot lighter though.
It's actually pretty light. How much do you think this weighs?
Probably like 57. Is that high?
45.
45.
Their standard cab.
Wow. I guess, I mean, yeah, because you don't have a bed.
It's all just here.
Yeah. How much does your X3 weigh?
Probably 4,500.
They'd be like right on together.
This might be a little more. This might be a little more aerodynamic, or mine might be.
Yeah.
That's probably where it gets it.
Yeah.
Above like 130.
Gallon 12 or Gallon 24?
Yeah, 24.
That's it, baby. The man, the myth, the legend.
Except this isn't
I know.
anywhere near that car.
Not a real GTR. It's really
It's not even a GTR.
just a Skyline base model.
So how'd you feel when you came in today and they said, Ben, you're working on a Skyline?
I said, I feel like I Sheila.
Yo, Ramsey, anybody ever tell you look good driving one of these?
Thanks, man. You should give me one.
Yeah. right, guys, that is it for this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one.